Welcome to our channel, where we explore the most luxurious and secret indulgences from around the world. Today, we're diving into the world of caviar, a symbol of luxury and gastronomic delight. But here's the twist. We'll guide you on how to enjoy this exquisite delicacy during your secret staycation, turning an ordinary weekend into an unforgettable gourmet experience. Caviar, the prized eggs from sturgeon fish, has been a coveted delicacy for centuries. Known for its unique texture and flavor, it's not just food, it's a celebration of taste. But why wait for a special occasion or a visit to a fine dining restaurant? We'll show you how to bring this luxury to your staycation. The journey begins with selecting the right caviar. There are various types, from the renowned beluga to the subtle sevruga. Each type offers a different taste, texture, and price point. We'll help you navigate this choice, ensuring you find one that suits your palate and budget. The key to a secret staycation is maintaining the surprise. Opt for online luxury food retailers that offer discreet next-day delivery. Ensure the packaging is nondescript for that element of surprise. We'll share tips on the best places to order from, guaranteeing quality and secrecy. With caviar in hand, it's all about the pairing. Traditional accompaniments include blini, crème fraîche, and chilled vodka or champagne. But let's not forget the setting, a cozy spot at home, maybe by the fireplace or a beautifully set table, to elevate the experience. Presentation is key. Serve your caviar on a mother-of-pearl spoon to avoid any metallic taste interference. We'll guide you through the etiquette of enjoying caviar, from the amount to use to the way to savor each bite, ensuring you appreciate its full flavor and texture. Transforming your staycation into a luxurious escape doesn't require much. Just a bit of secrecy, a taste for indulgence, and of course, a tin of exquisite caviar. Follow our guide to add a touch of elegance and mystery to your weekend. Remember, the best luxuries in life are the ones you surprise yourself with. Thank you for joining us on this gourmet adventure. For more tips on luxury staycations and indulging in life's finer things, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep seeking those secret indulgences that make life truly extraordinary.